If you also want to buy skincare and hair care products and you don't know it will suit your skin or not, then you can download the Smytten app. In this you can try the mini products. I also got 8 minis. It's just 249 rupees. First I got alpha arbutin and vitamin C brightening serum. Next is Rene mini lipstick. I love this shade. And next is Bonjour Paris weightless mousse foundation. You can see the coverage. Next is Plum Body Mist with amazing fragrance. Sulfate-free shampoo from Love Beauty and Planet, argan oil and lavender. Next, Pilgrim AHA and BHA peeling solution.